development. Without any further ado, I request the organizer of the event, Dr. Shweta Kulshresht, Associate Professor, MIT Institute of Biotechnology, to address the participants and interact with them to collect their feedback. Over to you, Shweta ma'am.
Thank you, Viji ma'am. Respected Shruti ma'am, my dear colleagues, dear students and participants. It is with great pleasure and the sense of accomplishment that we gather here today for the valedictory session of our 1 week advanced training program on new horizons in food and biotechnology for sustainable development. Over the past week, we have delved into the frontiers of scientific advancement and explored transformative potential of biotechnology in shaping the future for sustainable industry. This program has been intensive journey of knowledge, exchange, and collaborative learning and insightful discussions led by distinguished speakers and educators in the field. We have had the privilege of gaining valuable insight into cutting edge research, emerging technologies, and innovative practices that are revolutionizing the landscape of food and biotechnology. As we come to the close to this enriching week and end of the session, it is gratifying to witness the intellectual growth that has developed among the participants. Our shared commitment to harnessing the power of biotechnology for sustainable development is not only commendable but also an indicative of positive impact we can collectively make in addressing the challenges faced by the global food industry. Throughout the training program, we have explored the topics ranging from novel biotechnological applications to enhance food production and quality, 3D printing, and there are many sustainable technologies that mitigate environmental impacts. The diverse perspectives shared by our esteemed speakers have broadened our understanding and equipped us with the knowledge needed to navigate the dynamic and evolving landscape of the food and biotechnology. Before we proceed with the valedictory session, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished speakers, trainers, participants for their active engagement and contributions. Your dedication and enthusiasm have been instrumental in making this training program a resounding success. As we reflect on insights gained, the bonds of forged over the past week, let us carry forward the spirit of collaboration and innovations. May the knowledge acquired here serve as a catalyst for positive change in our respective roles and contribute to the broader goal of building a sustainable and resilient future for the food and biotechnology sectors. Thank you, and let us know about the feedback of the session. I would like to invite some participants to share their feedback. Online participants, you can raise your hand so that we can unmute you for the feedback session. Okay, one candidate is here.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Gauri Krishna L, and I am from first year MSc Food Technology. I want to express my appreciation for yesterday's section on exploring One Health in the world of food safety. I really enjoyed how the seminar highlighted the importance of considering health in food safety practices. Dr. Vijay Sharma sir did a great job in explaining the potential risk and how they can be mitigated. He also provided a detailed view on factors affecting human health and change in food system, case studies about vultures, contents, components of One Health approach, food safety and One Health, zoonotic diseases, antimicrobial resistance, and foodborne diseases. It was an eye opening to learn about the research and latest trends in this area. However, I would like to suggest some incorporating more audience interaction for an even more dynamic experience. Overall, it was an informative and thought provoking seminar. I look forward to attend more in this future. Thank you.
Any other participant would like to share the feedback? Any online participant?
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to thank Professor Ashutosh Sir for his insightful session on sustainable approaches in food processing, packaging, and coating. Your insights on the global burning issues like the carbon footprint, circular economy, and the need to reduce the environment impact was very enlightening. The clear presentation and engaging delivery made the complex concept very easy to understand. And the topics like cold plasma technology, pulse electric field, and high pressure processing are very important for me as a MSc Food Tech student. It would be a pleasure to attend more sessions led by you in the future. Thank you.
Any other participant would like to share their feedback? Online participant, you can raise your hands.
Hello, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Sonam Yadav from BTech Biotech first semester. I am grateful for your insightful session on nanobiosensor fabrication and application in food contaminant detection. Through this seminar, we learn about how nanosensor has emerged powerful tools for detection and monitoring various contaminants present in food. Advantages and application of biosensor, enzymatic biosensor need of nanobiotechnological engineering, steps to develop NMS-based biosensor, bioconjugation by adsorption. We learn about nanomaterial selection, surface functionalization, transducer integration, and signal amplification. Using nanobiosensor, we can detect pathogens, toxin, and quality control. It also offers improved sensitivity, selectivity, and speed compared to traditional methods. The clear presentation and engaging delivery made complex concept easy to understand. My interest was maintained by the interactive elements. In the future, I hope to attend more sessions that will be held. Thank you.
Thank you, dear participant. Anyone? Anyone else?
Good afternoon. Myself Sarang Bosle, MSc Food Tech student, and I am here to thank Mr. Dr. B.N. Mishra sir, whose session was held on second day of the seminar. Thank you so much, sir, for providing us with valuable information on new horizons in food and biotechnology for sustainable development and giving detailed information on 3D printing technology. And this event provided a platform for profound discussions, fostering a deeper understanding of the pivotal role of biotechnology plays in sustainable development. And we are highly obliged for your time and knowledge. And thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, participant. Feedback is very valuable. Any online participant would like to give the feedback? You can raise your hands. Okay. I think the feedback given by the participant is showing that it is a great and successful event for them. You have learned a lot. So thank you very much. Let us commence the valedictory session with a sense of accomplishment and anticipation for the impactful journey that lies ahead. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shweta ma'am. And also thank you all the participants who have shared their feedback. Now I request the coordinator of Advanced Training Program, Dr. Anuradha Saini, Assistant Professor, MIT Institute of Biotechnology, to present the report on 1-week training program. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vijay ma'am. I am fortunate to read the report of 1 week advanced training program on new horizons in food and biotechnology for sustainable development. Now I will start with the report of inaugural session. Now I will start with the report of inaugural session. The inauguration ceremony of the 1 week advanced training program on new horizons in food and biotechnology for sustainable development took place at 11th December 2023 at ASCO Seminar Hall. The program organized by AIB AUR Jaipur, which aims to provide participants with insights into cutting-edge advancements in biotechnology and their application in promoting sustainable development. The event was attended by esteemed guests, faculty members, trainers, and participants for diverse background interested in the intersection of food and biotechnology for sustainable development in hybrid mode. An objective of the training program, the overall overview of the training program objectives was presented by Dr. Shweta Kulshrestha, Associate Professor, AIB AR Jaipur. The program aimed to equip participants with knowledge on emerging trends in biotechnology and their application in ensuring food security and fostering sustainable development. Welcome address was delivered by Professor Vinay Sharma, Dean Research and Director AIB AR Jaipur, delivered the welcome address expressing gratitude for the attendees and providing an insight about the training program and role of biotechnology and food technology in sustainable development. The ceremony was graced by the presence of Professor G.K. Aseri, Pro Vice Chancellor, AUR Jaipur, who delivered the benefits of agricultural biotechnology in food security. The ceremony was graced by the presence of Professor Amit Jain, Vice Chancellor, Amit University, Rajasthan, Jaipur, who inaugurated the event, emphasizing the crucial role of sustainable development, how can it be achieved by small efforts. The vote of thanks was proposed by Dr. Anuradha Sani, Assistant Professor AIB AUR Jaipur in the inauguration ceremony. The session was moderated by Dr. Vijay Chaudhary, Assistant Professor AIB AUR Jaipur. Now on first day, session 1, given by the Dr. Vinish Kumar, Scientist C, Nabhi, Chandigarh. on the topic of nano biosensors fabrication and application in food contamination detection. Dr. Kumar presented delved into the critical aspects of nano biosensors technology covering the needs of nanoparticles, the significance of biosensors in food contamination detection, and the principle guiding their operation. The historical context, components, and signal monitoring methodology were precisely discussed. The comprehensive overview also included the various types of biosensors, such as enzymatic sensors, immunosensors, APTA sensors. In conclusion, the day proceeding encapsulated the essence of the seminar theme, reflecting a commitment to exploring innovative solutions in food and biotechnology for a sustainable future. Then session 2, day 2, given by the Professor Bhartendu Nath Mishra, Dean Research and Development and Industrial Consultancy at Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, Head Department of Biotechnology, Institute of Engineering and Technology, IET, Lucknow. He delivered his lecture on the topic of 3D printing in biotechnology challenges and opportunities. Dr. Mishra addressed the audience on the intricate subjects of 3D printing in biotechnology challenging and opportunities. The seminar encompassed a thorough exploration of application, emerging trends, and challenging associated with 3D bioprinting. His presentation covered a spectrum of application ranging from crucial fields such as tissue engineering, pharmacological sciences, biomedical engineering, to the innovative realms of personalized medicine, regenerative medicines, drug delivery, agriculture, cosmetic, biology, and waste management. Dr. Mishra expounded on the transformative potential of 3D printing, particularly emphasizing its capability to enable precision in the creation of personalized food and capsules concerning parameters like shape, color, and size. Then third lecture on day 2 given by Professor Ashutosh Upadhyay, Head of the Department, National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management, NIFTAM, Sonipat, on the topic of sustainable approaches in food processing, packaging, and coating. Professor Ashutosh Upadhyay delivered an insightful presentation on sustainable approaches in food processing, packaging, and coating. The core of his discourse centered around sustainable food systems, emphasizing the profound impact our food choices can have on climate, wildlife, habitat, and the environment at large spectrum. The professor further expounded on the imperative to reduce environment impact through the reduction of carbon footprints, effective processors, minimize food waste, and resource conservation. Then section 4 on day 4, the lecture delivered by Professor Vinay Sharma, Dean Research and Director, Amity University of Biotechnology, Amity University, Rajasthan, Jaipur. And his topic exploring on One Health in the world of food safety. The session highlight the need for a comprehensive approach like One Health due to a interconnectedness of human and animal health. It discussed how environmental factors such as pesticides, pesticides and biomagnification can impact food safety and human health. The session concluded by discussing recent efforts in One Health, particularly in the veterinary sector, through initiatives like NADRAS and NARES, the potential role of integrating Ayush system, which with a focus on preventive measures, reducing chronic diseases, and addressing antimicrobial resistance was also explored. Then session 5 on day 5 was given by Dr. Pooja Dubey Pandey, founder and CEO Beti Innovative Private Limited, Indore, MP, on the topic of transforming waste into sustainable future food through mushroom biotechnology. The session highlighted the cultivation of mushroom from agro-industrial waste, also addressed the innovative aspects of mushroom. Her presentation covered the major deficiency in India diet in terms of vitamins D, vitamin B12, vitamin A, and protein. It discussed about the strength of mushroom cultivation in India, Dr. Pandey further expounded the present scenario of mushroom production and compared with the word production. The session concluded by discussing the use of mushroom waste in manufacturing of different products and perspectives of technology in Indian context. Then thank you for your participation. Thank you very much. Over to the ma'am.
Thank you, Anuradha ma'am, for presenting a detailed report of the advanced training program. Now let me introduce Professor Shruti Mathur ma'am, Professor at MIT Institute of Biotechnology, MIT University, Rajasthan. Professor Shruti Mathur ma'am is also a coordinator of MIT Center for Water Studies and Research. And she has been awarded a patent by Government of India. She has also been awarded the Young Scientist Award of Indian Science Congress in 1995, an awardee of Summer Research Fellowship from 3 national science academies. She has also published many research papers of journals in national as well as international repute. She has also co-authored 3 books. Now I request Professor Shruti Mathur ma'am to give her concluding remarks about the event.
Thank you, Dr. Vijay Chaudhary, and also the organizers of this uh, very important 5-day workshop for having me here on the concluding session. I'm very happy to see students here because they are the ones who will take the learnings from these kind of workshops forward. And the most important thing I feel is that the choice of the topic for today for this workshop is very, very relevant in the current times because we have to look at the sustainability issues of everything that we do, right from the time we get up in the morning till the time we sleep. And in that context, the, the workshop has been a great success because it has highlighted the important aspects of the food industry, a very important and growing industry. This industry will certainly expand in the future. Food is always our requirement, and therefore, the learnings from this should also be put to practical use, especially for those who are involved in the food industry, which I'm sure many of you will surely be, because the waste treatment aspects of most of these food processing industries should always be of great importance. So I cannot overemphasize the importance and the success of this workshop. And with that, I congratulate the organizing committee for holding this workshop um, for the youngsters here. And I'm sure it will be of great use to them in future. So with these words, I would thank you all again and wish you all the very best for future. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Shruti ma'am, for your kind words. I'm sure all of you will be taking this journey ahead and continuing your learning as well as your entrepreneurship prospects. I believe this training must have been a trigger for your journey ahead. Now I request Dr. Arpit Srivastava, sir, Assistant Professor, MIT Institute of Biotechnology, MIT University, Rajasthan, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, one and all present here, and those who have joined us online. Firstly, I would like to thank the organizer of this event for giving me this opportunity to propose the vote of thanks. Dear all, I deem it a great honor to propose the vote of thanks to all who have helped us in making this 1 week training program such a respondent success. First of all, I would like to propose hearty vote of thanks to our honorable founder, Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, and Chancellor Dr. Asim Chauhan for providing us this opportunity and motivating us for this 1 week training program on new horizons in food and biotechnology for sustainable development. I would like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, President, MIT University, Rajasthan, Professor Amit Jain, sir. Thank you, sir, for providing us the platform where we can discuss and create awareness. I extend our heartfelt gratitude and thank you to our Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor G.K. Asiri, sir, for his presence in this event and for his guidance. I would also like to thank our respected Dean Research and Director AIB, Professor Vinay Sharma, sir, Professor Bharat Singh, sir, and Professor Shruti Mathur, ma'am, for moral support and guidance. Sincere thanks to our esteemed speaker for sharing their invaluable experience and expertise. Your insights have enlightened and inspired us, providing a deeper understanding of the new horizons in the food and biotechnology for sustainable development. During the training program, we had conducted a variety of sessions, and that had made the event a grand success. Thank you for the IT support provided by the IT team, Mr. Jitendra, sir. We would also like to express our gratitude to all the participants who actively engage in discussion and activities. Your enthusiasm and eagerness to learn have contributed to the vibrant atmosphere of the collaborating learning that we aimed for during this event. Our helpful thanks to the organizing committee, Dr. Shweta Kulshreshtha ma'am, Dr. Anuradha Saini ma'am, and Dr. Vijay Chaudhary ma'am for making the workshop a resounding success. I would also like to thank Ms. Roshni, who is the reporter of the event. Thank you for preparing report on the time. Your dedication and hard work have not gone unnoticed, and we appreciate your commitment for making this event a success. Lastly, but certainly not least, a big thank you to each and every one of you in the audience. Your presence here today has added immense value to the workshop, and we hope that the knowledge gained will have a lasting impact on your professional and personal endeavors. Thank you once again to everyone who played a part in making the 1 week training program, New Horizons in Food and Biotechnology for Sustainable Development, a memorable and enriching experience. Thank you so much. And now I would like to take your permission and end here. Thanks.
Thank you, Arpit sir. With that, we come to the successful completion of 1 week advanced training program on new horizons in food and biotechnology for sustainable development. Thank you for joining us, our eminent speakers and wonderful participants, and especially Professor Shruti Mathur ma'am, Professor Neelam Jain ma'am, Dr. Anuradha Saini ma'am, Dr. Shweta Kulshresht ma'am, and Dr. Ravneet ma'am. And Dr. Arpit Srivastav sir, four of us are the organizers, so we had to be here. But our faculty, especially Professor Neelam ma'am and Professor Shruti ma'am and Dr. Ravneet ma'am, have made this event even more memorable for all of us, along with our students. So thank you so much, and I wish you all a great day. Jai Hind. IT team, sir, we can close the session.